Hello, I'm Tarotist Maggie Norton, and today I'm bringing you the Tarot card of the week as the Eight of Wands. So at the Eight of Wands, we are going through a quickening phase in our energy body. If you are familiar with the chakras, this will make amazing sense, right? Because it's literally an awakening and a quickening within the energy centers within your body. That's one facet of the Eight of Wands. Now, for the rest of us that necessarily don't work with our chakra system, I encourage you to learn that eventually in this life, especially if you want to become empowered. That's a key fundamental for how you can attain and access levels of energy. But at the Eight of Wands, I want you to think about how you're responsible for how you use your energy. You've definitely set your energy on a course, on a path, so to speak. And now you're watching it work for you. Okay, so all your energy that you've had to muster up to move forward in life is now functioning on a level where it's almost on autopilot. But you do have to be responsible for how you apply your energy. And what I mean is, your energy has so much potency in the world. It affects people, it affects your surroundings, it affects you. And so you have to be responsible in how you use your energy. Are you using it productively? Are you allowing it to work for you? And really, with the Eight of Wands, we've attained a level of mastery, and now we have to make sure that we're applying it, okay? So it's not a week where we want to sit still. It's a week where we want to keep applying to the path we've already committed to, keep applying to our life, keep applying to our energy, okay? And with that, we can allow that energy to start having a level of mastery that we can see is starting to really do work for us and make progress in our lives. The Eight of Wands, all eights are going to be reaping the rewards from a job well done. So you might actively be applying your energy to achieve the rewards of life that you want. But it's already set in motion. You're not at the beginning phase. You're just applying, making this card work for you. Your energy has a lot of potency. It has a lot of finesse and refinement. So now you get to just apply that to wherever it is you're going. Okay, so enjoy the Eight of Wands this week and keep doing what you're doing. Make sure to keep applying the action of your energy to the projects that really mean something to you that you want to get accomplished in life. Okay, have fun this week and we'll talk to you soon.